Hey, welcome to SE Custom Designs. You got it. We're still not back in the wood shop yet. We're now on the south side of the house. I power washed I think last week, 2 weeks ago. Because last week I painted above this porch here, which is putting a ladder on, slopes, and you got to be careful about that. And I did the back of the house, so the east and west side of the house last week. When I say what I did, I primed. Okay, so here's a tip for the pin gun. I'll tell you what, so many uses for a pin gun. Traditionally, they put in, pounded in these nails, and through time they loosen up. You can see here, hopefully, how loose that is. Well, that's pretty obvious, right? The answer to that, my friend, is this. Quick and easy. And I'm not going to take too much more time than that, other than if you've not thought about the uses for your pin gun. I think there were some loose ones over here. Just be careful when you're holding your pin gun in your arm pit area. Well, there's some more. Oh, here's one here. He's quite loose. And sometimes these boards can be quite cracked, so I can pretty much piecemeal pin the cracked pieces back together. So that's the tip of the day. Next tip for the pin gun. And again, battery operated, no hose, no pneumatic system here. All the pneumatic is inside here, sucking in the air and pushing it in via the battery, the piston. I love it. Really, really, really awesome use for the pin gun when it comes to siding, old siding. So there you go, quick and easy. Thanks for watching SE Custom Designs. One day we will be back into the wood shop, but I imagine, well, I have to be done by the end of June. And it's just me. I don't have help. That's just the way it is. So today we hope to knock out before the rain comes in, because it's been raining for the last 3 years as far as I'm concerned. You can't get any full week of no rain this year. So far, 2019, you can't get 2-3 days with no rain. And we're in May 25th. So there you go. Get at it when you can. Okay, yeah, there's the front. I did that last week. So lots of ladder work. Be careful when you're up there, friends. Thanks for watching SE Custom Designs. I will be back in the wood shop. Got an awesome project. We're going to be taking a customer's 67-pound plate glass sign called The Works, Worldwide Environmental Regulatory Compliance Systems. So we're going to be making a coffee table for their office. All right. Thanks, guys. Take care. If you like what you see, subscribe, please. Stay tuned for, well, we don't know what.